heading up north. Finally getting this truck and camper out to do a little adventuring, a little exploring. So see what we can get into. We go for the next couple days. Heading up the Glen Highway right now, going north. We'll go into Palmer, get fuel, and then head north up towards Lake Louise Road. There was a group of caribou up there the other day that I'm going to see if I can go get on film. Hunting season's closed, but I can still hunt them with the camera, so that'd be kind of cool if I can locate those. And I can still kind of do a little bit of rabbit hunting, so I might do that too. But yep, getting out, getting this truck camper out finally. Seems like I'm always busy doing something. Well, next couple days I'm gonna hang out in the wilderness of Alaska. See ya. Check out those mountains. Yeah, that's where we're going, up through there. Pretty nice. Pretty darn nice looking. So, got the camper parked. We're right here, right by the lake. You can see good view of the lake. Watch for caribou. I didn't bring no fishing stuff, so won't be fishing, but anyway, we'll be, maybe tomorrow I'll go stomp the brush for some rabbits, but right now it's gonna be get the camper warmed up, get settled in, and make dinner. So wait. All set up. Camper set up. And I'm in a parking area where they kind of launch their snow machines and take off across the lake to their cabins. But yeah, I've got the old Jenny going. There's outhouses right there, but of course they're locked up for the season. But that's okay. So I'll stay here tonight. I might go. I went up top where there's a really great view, but the wind's just too much. So I'm just gonna go right here. A little late, it's like 5:30, and then make some dinner and kind of hang out. It's really nice right now. I'm gonna sit outside for a bit. So my view from where I'm sitting here in my chair, you can see is a couple guys out there. Probably fishing. Probably a snow machine, but there's Shanty. You can see through the trees there. They're in a fishing shack. But yeah, this is where I'm at. This is it right here. That's where I'm at for the night. Pretty nice. It's got a little breeze, but it's not bad right now, so I'm gonna enjoy it while I can. See the view here. So there's a pit right here where they get gravel in the summertime for the roads, but it's elevated here. That's why I come here. because you can see a lake out there. It's Old Man Lake. Let me switch this around. I'll show you what it really looks like. So this is what it looks like. You can see there's a lake right there. It's Old Man Lake. See the mountain range in the background. Yeah, so walking isn't bad, but I broke through a couple times and it's deep. And doesn't feel too good on the knees. But anyway, I'm out getting some exercise anyway. Alrighty. I used my woodsman skills to start a fire. Basically, I lit a match and turned on the gas. Oh yes, beautiful day. I switched spots. Got off the top of that. This one's a little bit more like a campsite. The other one was more like camping in the road, so I come over here, which is not far down the road. But there is it right there. This is our place for the night. Yeah, we bought this fire pit when we were RVing around the US. Kind of like it, so it's kind of handy. Especially you don't have to mess with any firewood right now. It's kind of a pain carrying it, but it does the trick.